Hello children, myself Mrs. Dimple Kundar from Seth Vidya Mandir, English High School, CBSE will continue Maths for Standard 2, reteaching of lesson number 3, Subtraction. Move forward for 2-digit numbers, find the difference without borrowing. 2 digits and numbers are the numbers with tens and ones. So when we are not borrowing, the steps are easy. We start subtracting from the ones column and then move to the tens column. So 0 minus 0 will remain 0. 6 minus 2 will be, yes, 4. So I will write 4. So my answer is 40. Next, 58 minus 13. So what do I do? First I have to subtract in the ones column. 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. Then we move to the tens column. 5 minus 1 is 4. So my answer is 45. Move ahead. 75 minus 25. Okay, the ones column first. 5 minus 5. Anything minus, the same numbers minus, it comes to 0. And 7 minus 2 will be 5. Students, try to remember subtraction of single digits by heart. I had told you this before also. Next, 82 minus 10. Ones column first. So 2 minus 0, 2, and 8 minus 1, 7. Okay, similarly 96 minus 40. So again ones column, 6 minus 0, anything minus 0, the number remains itself. And 9 minus 4 is 5. So my answer is 56. 86 minus 63, again ones column, 6 minus 3, 3, and tens column, 8 minus 6, 2. So my answer is 23. Similarly, 74 minus 22, again ones column, 4 minus 2, 2, and 7 minus 2, 5. So my answer is 52. 87 minus 43, ones column, 7 minus 3, 4, 8 minus 4, 4. Now the terms which I had explained just before, 86, the number on top, 86, 74, 75, 58 is called as the minuend. Okay, and the number which is written down, 13, 25, 63, 22 is called as the subtrahend, and the answers which we are getting is called as the difference. Okay, we move forward. Find the difference with borrowing. Now what happens, sometimes a number is small and cannot be subtracted. You always subtract a bigger number, a smaller number from a bigger number. But sometimes what happens, there is a smaller number and you have to subtract the bigger number. That time you borrow it from the next place, like tens and ones. Similarly, I have to do the ones column first and tens column. But now see, in the ones column is 0 minus 6. From 0 can I minus 6? No. So what will this do? 0 will borrow a number from the tens column. So 7 will become, you are borrowing only one number. So when you minus 1 from 7, you will get 6. And this number will become 10. Okay, you are adding the 1 to the number which is already there. So 10 minus 6 is 4 and 6 minus 2 is 4. So minuend, subtrahend, difference. Next number, tens and ones, 53 minus 37. Now ones column, 3 minus 7 can I do? No. So I will borrow from 5. When I borrow from 5, 5 will become 1 less and it will become 4. And this will become, I borrowed the 1, so 1, and this 3 I have to write as it is. So 13 minus 7 is 6. 4 minus 3 is 1. I hope you all are understanding. 69 minus 4. Now ones column, 9 minus 4 I can do. So no borrowing. So it's okay. Sometimes borrowing questions don't come. 6 minus 2, 4. Okay. Next, 31 minus 17. Again ones column, 1 minus 7 can I do? No. So I will borrow. When I borrow from 3, it will become 2 and that 1 will come here and this one again I will write on top. So 11 minus 7, 4, and 2 minus 1, 1. So my answer or my difference is 14. Move forward, 82 minus 34. Now can I minus? No, it is a smaller number. So again what will I do? I will borrow and this will become 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. 7 minus 3 is 4. Easy. 50 minus 27. One's column 0 minus 7 I cannot do. So again I will borrow. 10 minus 7. Yes, 3. And 4 minus 2. 2. So my difference or my answer is 23. 68 minus 19. Again what do I do? Yes, I borrow. 6 will become 5 and this will become 18. 18 minus 9 is 9 and 5 minus 1 is 4. Sometimes if you cannot do, you can do it by making circles or making lines or counting it on your fingers. Okay, but try to do it in your mind so you should know the answers nicely. 44 minus 28. Now one's column 4 minus 8 I cannot do. So I will borrow. This will become 3 and this will become 14. 14 minus 8, 6 and 3 minus 2, 1. So students, I hope you all are understanding and you all will practice. Okay, very good.